In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email in Getresponse. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log in, all the way to sending or scheduling your newsletter, so you can confidently create professional emails even if you're brand new to the platform. First, log into your Getresponse account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to look around if you're not familiar with it yet. What we're interested in is the main menu. At the top or side of the screen, depending on your layout, you'll see a section called Tools. Go ahead and click on Tools, and from the options that appear, select Email Marketing. This is where you'll manage all of your one-off email campaigns, often called newsletters. Inside the Email Marketing section, look for the button labeled Create Newsletter and click it. This starts the setup process for a new email campaign. You'll now see a screen where you can enter some key details. Start by filling in your subject line. This is the text your subscribers will see in their inbox, so make it clear, relevant, and compelling. Avoid using too many spammy words or excessive punctuation, as that can hurt your open rates. Right below or nearby, you'll see options to select your recipients. Choose the list or segment you want to send this email to. If you have multiple lists, be very intentional here so you only send the message to people it's actually meant for. Once your subject and recipients are set, click on Design Message. This takes you into the design area where you can choose a template. Getresponse provides a variety of templates for different purposes like promotions, announcements, or simple text emails. Pick one that matches the style and goal of your message. After selecting a template, you'll be taken into the drag and drop editor. In the editor, you can customize everything. Replace placeholder text with your own copy, swap images, adjust headings, and add elements like buttons or dividers. Simply drag new blocks from the side panel into your email and click on any element to edit it. Take your time here to ensure your message is clear, visually consistent, and easy to read on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with your design, click Next. On the final screen, you'll see the sending options. You can choose to send the email immediately, which is useful for time-sensitive announcements, or schedule it for later. If you schedule, pick the date and time that best fits your audience's time zone and behavior. After confirming everything one last time, you're ready to send or schedule your newsletter in Getresponse.